Hello! Good evening sa lahat! Kamusta na po kayong lahat? So, balita ko, trending na daw po ang kamusta ka. Kaya ako magtatanong sa bawat isa sa inyo, kamusta ka? You know guys, we are all social beings. And the nature of being a human is social connections. So, sabihin nyo sa akin kung masaya kayong nag-iisa parati or kahit na mag-isa kayo, may mga gusto sa inyo. Kung may pinagdadaanan kayo, may mga gusto sa inyo. Kung may, for example, may loved one, may sakit. Okay ba sa inyo na kinakamusta kayo ng mga friends nyo, family nyo? How are you coping with your challenges? May exam, may problema sa asawa. Diba? Pagka alam mo ng mga kaibigan mo yun na may pinagdadaanan ka, okay sa inyo na kinakamusta kayo. Tell me about it. Tell me how you feel about your friends and family and loved ones. Checking on you. Kasi po, mamaya check ko yung comments kasi phone ko yung ginagamit ko pang Facebook Live. Pero hiramin ko yung phone ng kasama ko para mabasa ko yung comments nyo. Babasahin ko. So feel free kung gusto nyo magkwento. Kamusta ka na? And what matters to you when you're going through something? So, ba't ba na trending kung kamusta ka? Kasi po, nung nandun ako sa Senate, nabanggit ko na wala man lang nangamusta sa amin nung nagputukan na at feeling namin may barilan na nagganap all over us. And that's not just me, but also our staff, the Senate employees, media. Nangyari po yung event na yun around 8 o'clock. Nung mag-aalis 10 na, tapos na. Mag-aalis 10 na po yun. If 9, mga 9:45, 9:50, if I'm not mistaken. Medyo kumalma na kami kasi wala na putukan, saka na-clear na po yun na-clear na yung area. Sabi ko dun sa mga kasama ko, including Senator Camille Villar, sabi ko, uy, alam ba ng mga kasamahan natin kung ano nangyari dito, yung mga wala dito? Alam ba nila, may message ba sila sa GC natin? Tapos tinignan ni Camille, sabi niya wala. Sabi ko, ha? Hindi man lang nila tayo kinamusta? So sabi ko, Camille, lagay mo dyan. ICYMI, buhay pa po kami. And nilagay ni Camille, hi, we're okay. Tapos saka kami nag-comment na stay safe, gano'n. So, syempre at the time na, yun nga, putukan lahat. Tapos nung tumahimik na, kasi ako in touch ako sa loved ones ko eh. Panay-text nila, how are you, brother ko, mami ko, maanak ko. So, syempre, yung mga mismo kasama namin doon, expected ko din na kamustahin nila kami, di ba? Normal yun. Anyway, so nung wala nga, at si Camille yung nagsabi, okay kami dito, sumagot sila. So, when I delivered my speech at sinabi kong wala man lang nangamusta, I want you all to know na after my speech, ang dami sa kanilang lumapit sa akin. Kasi friends po talaga kami. Imagine yung magkakaklase kayo. Di kami, minsan nag-aaway kami because of work. But a lot of us have been friends and I really appreciated you guys who approached me. You know, nag-show kayo ng concern sa akin and sinabi nyo nga na nag-alala kayo sa akin. I appreciate it. And you know what guys, wala na sa akin to. Gano'n naman ako eh. Wala naman ako mapapala na ikasama ng loob ko. So, thank you to my colleagues na nag-show ng concern. I love these guys. I do. Pero meron din talagang hindi mo lumapit. Wala talagang balak kung kamustahin. So, ganun talaga buhay. And I think I've reached a point in my life na I try to control what I can control. And yung hindi ko makontrol, bahala na kayo. So, that, I guess, is some life lessons I want to share with all of you. It's important that we surround ourselves with people who we can trust, with people who we know care about us. And if there are misunderstandings, sabihin nyo. That's why ako, sinabi ko na ito yung feeling ko. And sure enough, marami sa kanilang lumapit sa akin, okay na kami. Ganun talaga yun. So move on na. So much work to do, right? But I wanna take advantage of this trending kamusta ka and ask each one of you, kamusta ka? You know, I'm a fan of psychology. Nung college po ako, hindi ako natuloy mag-psychology kasi hindi economics yung course ko. But I study on my own, I read a lot. Siyempre, I'm a mother. A lot of mothers somehow are psychologists na rin kasi kailangan alagaan mo yung anak mo, kailangan mag-adjust kung ano yung needs ng anak mo. And I have to say, it's so important that your loved ones know that you're there for them. And ikaw din, if for whatever reason you feel that wala sila doon para sa'yo, huwag mong dibdibin. Ilabas mo, sabihin mo. So example, birthday mo, nakalimutan. You have the right to say na, oy, birthday ko, pinalimutan mo, nagtampo naman ako sa'yo. And then move on ka na. Kasi wala namang kang mapapala na bit-bit mo yun the whole time, di ba? Yun naman yung importante. There is nothing wrong experiencing different emotions. We're human beings. Hindi ka na tao kung hindi ka nakakaramdam. Di ba? Yung nakikita niyo ako, it's either masaya ako or galit ako. So nakita niyo naman ako na ang sama ng loob ko. You've seen me express my feelings as somebody who was scared, who was, ano ba sa English, masama ang loob. I felt bad because I'm human. But more importantly for me is you're able to move on. As an athlete, and yeah, I'm very proud to be an athlete. I've learned so many life lessons being an athlete. Sabi nga nila, it's not about nag-fail ka. It's how you moved on after. So, masama loob mo, how do you move on? So, yun ang importante. So, ayan, I think it's time na basahin ko naman yung mga comments nyo. Magsasalamin po ako kasi malabo na mata ko. I cannot read kung walang salamin. So, kaya magbabasa ako ng mga gustong mag-comment ng gusto nyong ikwento na yung mga experience nyo in what sense na nakaramdam kayo ng support from your loved ones and nakatanggap kayo ng the kind of support that you need to hear from people who are important to you. So, mapati din ako na kay John Evan, hello. Of course, si Mike Maroto, nanonood. O, belated happy birthday. And, may nagsasabi na, ay, ano ba to? Sorry na wala. Hello, Queen. Thank you sa mga bati nyo. Sabi ni Jen, she understands and she hears. Alam nyo guys, yung question ko is very simple and I guess if hindi kayo comfortable mag-share, that's really fine. But even if you just say, you understand, napagdaanan nyo yun, kasi it's impossible na yung mga nanonood sa akin, hindi nyo naiintindihan na at different times in our lives, we need our loved ones. As a child, you need your mother, you need your father, di ba? Kaya nga ang daming may mga issues kasi hindi nila na-feel yung mga ganong support na kailangan nila. And speaking of support, parents, for those parents listening to me, I came across a very interesting article na sabi, children who live in loving homes grow up to be very secure. They grow up to have good decision-making skills. They grow up to have good communication skills, interpersonal skills. Kaya isang aspeto yan na maganda din ang environment ng mga anak natin. Well, on that note, we all have our own experiences, good and bad within the family. So walang perfect, di ba? Hindi sinasabi kailangan ng perfect, but I'm just saying, the more support you have, whether it's in your family or in your community, the more you can function the more na marireach mo yung you can reach your full potential. That's what I'm trying to say. So, ang sobrang daming comment na hindi ko na malaman kung ano uunahin ko. Thank you, RR. Yes, pray lang po tayo parati kasi importante talaga na we have that sense of I guess the word is also support from a higher being, and so praying is also gives us a lot of the support na we also need to need to have in our lives. And grateful po kami magkakapatid, family namin, na napalaki po kami gano'n. So, God bless you then, Mar, and Bino, and Clavel, and ay, sabi ni Zer, mahina ang audio. Sorry, wala kasi akong mic ngayon. Sorry about that. Hindi ko kasi nakadikit yung mic parati sa akin. So, minsan wala talaga akong mic. Pero I will try, nalakasan yung boses ko. Kasi conversational lang eh. Kaya hi Seb, and Jensan, and good evening din sa'yo, Baite, Marcos. Kamusta? I'm good, I'm fine, thank you. Sobrang daming comments, grabe. Yes, Teresa, it's very important na strong tayo and we trust in the Lord. But again, we're only human, di ba? We cannot be strong all the time. There are really times na weak tayo or we need to gather strength then from our loved ones. The other thing na importante talagang i-emphasize ko dito sa kwentuhang kamustahan is huwag niyong i-bottle up yung feelings nyo. Because, at my age, ang dami ko nang napagdaanan, it's important that you acknowledge your feelings. Sabi nga nila, some people go through things in life na either very strong feelings of pain, let's say namatayan sila, or frustration or feeling of walang pag-asa. It is okay to have those feelings, pero our feelings do not define who we are. Pwedeng noted lang yung feelings na yon, and then we move on. I'll give an example again as an athlete, kasi yun ang marami akong nababase. Let's say athlete ka, tapos natalo ka, tapos dibig mo yun, natalo ko, loser ako, ganon. It's hard to rise above it because you don't wanna, kinakapitan mo yung feelings yun. Remember, feelings are just feelings. And when you look at champion mindsets, sila po yung na-acknowledge nila, yung pinagdaanan nila, and then they're able to move on. Yun ho ang champion mindset. So, yun yung gusto ko din i-share sa inyo. Yes, we need to be proud of each other, of what we are able to accomplish. Tama yan. And, thank you, Anjali. Hello, kamusta ka dyan sa Saudi? Kay Rig. Hello, Rig. And, si Jem naman, of course, yes, we should always pray for wisdom and protection. Always, always. Pray for each other. And, God bless you then, Nelly. God bless you. And si Dean din, thank you. Grabe naman yung feeling na ang daming nagdadasal sa inyo. And I want you to know na I'm also always praying for our country. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, di ba, pray for your enemies. So, even different times of my life, ang hirap ipagdasal yung isang tao na hindi kayo nagkakasundo. Pero pwede mong ipasa Diyos yun eh. Pwede mong ipasa Diyos yun na, Lord, bahala ka na sa mga nangyayari. Bahala ka na sa isang tao. Malay mo, next time, yung isang taong kagalit mo, maging kaibigan mo, di ba? So, always pray. Always pray. Sabi nga ni Mary Jane, it's okay to feel overwhelmed. Totoo yan. I can honestly say I felt overwhelmed. Mabibilang ko sa kamay ko yung times na nangyari yun. Pero nangyayari yun. Kasi, like I said, normal yun. Yung mga madaling mag-criticize na bakit ganun yung feelings ng ibang tao o yung feelings ko. Bakit hindi kayo tao, di ba? Kasi siguro naman, mas gusto nyo na maayos taong kausap nyo kaysa sa AI, di ba? O yung nagkukunyari. At least ako, makatotoo ko. Yun lang naman yung kaya kong ipakita sa inyo, yung totoo lang. Thank you din, Maria Fe, and kay Elsie, kay Althea, Luisito, kay Tisay. Yeah, so anyways, ang dami lang nangangamusta. Again, uulitin ko. Take time to ask yourselves, kamusta ka? Ask yourself. And if there's something in your life na gusto nyo ayusin, maybe you can reach out to somebody who can help you, or maybe okay kayo, pero may ibang tao naman na kailangan nyo kamustahin. Diba? Why not? Why not? You know, every day I pray, I say to God, thank you for all the blessings. Please put in my path somebody whose life I can touch today. So, whether sa kwentuhan natin na to, na kinamusta kita, you would know na, you know, there's always hope, or because I'm praying for all of you, you bump into somebody who will actually give you hope. That's my purpose for having this conversation. Reach out, guys. And this one more thing I want to end with this. Sabi nila, the more na whatever negative feelings you have, you know what you do? You reverse it. Mag-reach out ka to somebody else. Do something for somebody else. Kasi I swear, ilang beses na nangyari sa akin yun. Gumaan yung pakiramdam ko. Kasi imbis na nakafocus ako dun sa dinadamdam ko, parang gumaan yung loob ko, tsaka nawala sa immediate na pananaw ko yung sarili kong mga iniisip. Napafocus ako dun sa ibang tao. So, yun lang din ang advice ko sa inyo. Dun sa show namin with Tito Boy Abunda, sa CIA with BA, ganun talaga yung joy na nararamdaman namin whenever we have a show. Because we're able to reach out to other people who need to hear us, need to be encouraged, need to have a little bit of hope. So, yun, sige. So, God bless you all, and maraming salamat din, Megan, Vince, God bless you, Christian, Tess, and Elaine. So, ang sweet naman itong si Hexine, kamusta? Okay naman. Kayo din, ha? And don't forget, ha, if you have loved ones na may pinagdadaanan, pwedeng pagkamusta nyo ngayon, okay yun. Then pwedeng the next day, hindi. So, kung mahal nyo yung taong yun, just be there for that person. You don't always have to be physically present, but there are different ways you can reach out and show people that you care for them. So, gamitin natin sa maganda tong trending na kamusta ka, di ba? Let's make it positive. No matter what the negativity is, you can rest assured, I will always, hindi ho ako umabot ng ganitong edad para lang maging negative. Hindi nyo mahanap sa akin yan. I have down days where maiksi yung patience ko, or madali akong ma-frustrate, sumama loob. But generally, I always am positive. I always look for the best scenario. So, yung mga nega dito, huwag na kayong mag-abala. Kasi, hindi ko naman binabasa yung comments nyo eh. So, you're just wasting your time. But for those who want a safe space where we can be positive for the sake of our community, our country, I'm with you. We're on the same page. So, yun lang, guys. Maghapunan na. Yung mga nasa ibang bansa natin, mga kamag-anak, stay safe. If you live in Europe, siguro mga tanghali na ngayon. If you live naman in the US, umaga o madaling araw, iba-iba. Yung mga nasa Middle East, yun, medyo nananghalian na siguro kayo, guys. Stay safe. Reach out to a loved ones. Kahit isa lang. Let them know, kamustahin nyo. Let them know that you care. God bless you all.